Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve another important question from the same chapter, that is reproduction. This is a very important question because it has been already asked in 2018. So have a look on the question. This is the very simple one according to me. In this question they are asking the contraceptive, that is Saheli, is which is from the following given option, and these options are: is a IUD, second one increase the concentration of estrogen and prevent ovulation in females, the third one block estrogen receptor in the uterus and preventing eggs from getting implanted, and the last one is a postcoital contraceptive. So before solving this question, you have to understand that main concept on which this question is based. So have a look on this concept. This question is from the concept that is Saheli. So firstly, I'll tell you what is this, right? This is a new oral contraceptive pill which are developed by our scientists, that is Indian scientists, in a center that is called Central Drug Research Institute, and it is situated in Lucknow, that is in India. So what is the difference between other and this one? This is the first non-steroidal and can be taken once in a week. This pill contains centogoman and it's very different from other one, right? This functions on the very selective estrogen, like estrogen receptor modulation. This works on the different estrogen level, right? So here you can see in the concept that instead of hormone, they work on estrogen to prevent the pregnancy, right? This contains the drug which used to block estrogen, and it increases the level of estrogen into the woman's body so that the ovary will not release egg in that period, and from this they can reduce the chances or pregnancy of that particular one. So after understanding this concept, now you can solve this question very easily. So these options are that contraceptive pill, that is Saheli, is an IUD. I will tell you what is IUD. IUD is an intrauterine device. So you know that Saheli is a contraceptive pill, not a device. So first one is the wrong one. Second one, increase the concentration of estrogen and prevent the ovulation in the body. Yes, they increase the concentration by doses, they increase the concentration in the particular body, but they don't prevent ovulation. Third one, block estrogen receptor in the uterus, preventing egg from getting implanted. Yes, because they used to prevent egg by reaching towards the ovulation. So this will be the correct answer. To understand this video in more correct manner, you can watch these videos. There you will get a brief description regarding this concept. Refer to this book. This is NCERT book of biology of 12th. Directly go to the line number 15 of page number 61. There you will get all description related to this topic. Thank you.